Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about 6 words, 6 pictures, and what that is, it's an activity for us to get to know one another using 6 words and 6 pictures. And so we're going to use an app called Animoto. You can access it for free. Now there are ways that if you get really excited and your parents want you to or you want to, you can purchase different uh, accessibilities on there, but we're just going to look at the free one today. So you're going to go to animoto.com. So you'll see Animoto.com. And it will pull up this page. Okay. What you're going to do is create an account using your Gmail account for the school district. Now, it's not an email account, but you have a Google Drive, so it works the same way. So what you would do is type in your 1000 number, whatever it may be. I have no idea, I'm making this up. And then I'm going to, you have to put at csisd.org. That is your Google account for the district. You're going to type in your own password, whatever that may be. You're going to click education and get started for free. Okay? All right. So now what happens, it pulls up all of these templates, and they are so fun to go through and look at. There's all kinds of different templates, so you can look at them by different titles, different ways they're grouped. You can look at new and popular. Now if they have a star on them, which I'll show you the star in a minute, those are not free, but these are all right here. These are all free. So I'm going to start with a self-introduction video just because, it has music, so let me do it. They all come with music. They all come with different colors and fonts. And I like this one because it has just one picture on each one. Now, if you decide to do one that has multiple pictures, that's fine as well. But still remember, we're only going to have 6 to 7 slides. Okay, so I'm going to choose this template. And then I'm going to show you how that you can, I'm not going to save that. This is where you can click or drag and drop to upload your media. So your media is going to be things like photos or JPEGs or PNGs that you pulled off the internet of things that you like. So I'm going to skip this for right now because there is a place while you're editing that you can also upload your photos. If you would like to take a tour because it's new to you, you can just click Start Tour. I'm going to skip it. So here is my presentation, and you can see down at the bottom all the different slides. This is an example. Anything can be changed on here. So I'm going to go to Project, and it says click or drag to upload. So if you're going to drag, notice my desktop is full, you can literally just pull a picture. And it will take it a second, but it's going to start downloading. See, there it goes. Or you can click on this cloud and you can pick them on your desktop, okay, or whatever drive folder they're in. All right. Another thing, they have stock photos, and these stock photos are really cool. You can see, you can pick, these are just photos available in this program. So say you want to do something specific like cows. You like cows. Well, unfortunately, all of the cow photos, I've already looked at it. See, they have these stars on them. The stars mean you have to have the upgraded version of this program, and we're not going to do that. So a way that you can bypass some of the stock photos that you might like is you can go to another web browser or another tab. I'm going to Google cows. Click on images. And I think that's an adorable cow. So I'm going to move my desktop over, my web browser over just a minute and drag my cow to my desktop. And then I'm going to go back to Animoto. And I'm going to go to my project, and I'm going to upload my cow if I can find it. Let's see, where is my cow? All my different crazy pictures. Donkeys. Let me just drag and drop. I think that will work. Oh, there it is. There's my cow. So I'm dragging the cow, and it'll take a minute, but it will upload. So that way you can bypass the stock photos because not all of them are free. Okay, you can easily drag and drop these photos in here, and you'll notice though it depends on the size of your photo and what's in there. You can design this in many ways. You can pick different themes. So maybe I want to use this theme. I like the fashion forward with the little like brush strokes. Maybe I want to change the size and of the words or the color. Maybe I really like purple, and you can't really see it that well, but you can see how it accents, how you can change the highlights. So this right here's the title, and right here's the subtitle. So title, subtitle. You can also look at video settings, which is how the slide will come in and out. So this is clean. You'll notice it just kind of cleanly pops up there. Or you can do fade, where it fades out. You can do zoom in, where it kind of zooms in. Okay, so these are different video styles. You can also do different filters. I'm sure you're aware of filters with social media that we have today. I'm going to close out of this and go back to the design aspect. And also under text, you can change the way that it looks on there. So for example, say I want to do fade and expand. It takes off that highlight and it uses that font. Maybe I like slide in. Okay, so that's also an option. All right, so you could play around with this forever probably. It's really fun. You also can change the music. Each one comes with its own song, but I wanted to see what other ones. So I'm going to click now. For example, if you click on Quirky, there's only one that's free. The rest you have to be one of those members. So I'm going to show you Fun because that's where I found the song for my example. Oh, sorry. Let's get out. Find Fun over here on the side, and you can so as long as it doesn't have the stars, it's free, and that's the one I chose. So you would just click on it and it'll come up right here, and that's the song you're using. Okay, now the ratio is let me close out and show you again how I got there. So let me close the music. And if you'll look, it says ratio. You can make it landscape, which is what it's in. You can make it square, like maybe you like the square look. Or you can make it vertical. If your pictures are all vertical, like that picture was, you can make them vertical. You will not need all the slides. Remember, you only need 6 words, 6 pictures. You may have 7 slides, depending on if you want to have an intro slide. You can change the length that the slide will stay. So notice it's going to 5 seconds. Now remember, your presentation can only be 30 seconds or less. Okay. When you are finally done with your presentation, you've got it the way you want, you're going to export. And it's going to generate your video. And the music's probably going to pop on, so it's going to be a little loud. You're going to click share, and you're going to email it to me. So my email address is agilmore@csisd.org, and then right here I want you to put your name. So see, there's the music. I want you to put your name, and I want you can email, you can click this to email you when I do it or not, it's up to you. And then I want you to send it. Pause that. So it's shared with me. So, oh, sorry. My laptop's getting low. So let me show you in my email. It's coming up. Oh. Give it a second. All right, and so here's my Animoto email, and it's going to pull up the video that you just shared with me in your name. Okay, if you have any questions, email me, let me know. This is going to be a fun project. I cannot wait to see everybody's Animotos with their 6 words and their 6 pictures.